Good morning, student. Today this is the time for the new chapter number 7. The name of the chapter 7 is Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animal to Climate. So today we will continue the new chapter, and the first that I am going to start, that it is introduction of this chapter. Weather and climate have very great impact on our daily life. As we know, weather and climate determine the types of clothes we wear, mode of transport we use, types of food we grow and eat, etc. All the living organisms are adapted to survive in the climatic condition of their natural habitat. Next, the main topic is started, that it is weather. The first topic of this chapter is weather. The first point of this topic is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. Next, the temperature, humidity and other factors are called the element of the weather. The weather of a place change day after day and week after week. That is why we often say today weather is too humid or the weather was warm last week. Now next topic is meteorology. As we know, meteorology is the most important topic of this chapter because this is a type of a department that known as meteorological department of the government, collects data on temperature, humidity and wind and makes the weather prediction. इससे हम लोग को बचाव करने में हेल्प करता है, जिसके कारण हम लोग जान पाते हैं कि हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर का टेम्परेचर क्या है, ह्यूमिडिटी क्या है, विंड क्या है. ये जानने में हम लोग को आसानी होती है. मेट्रोलॉजी इज़ द इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ टेम्परेचर. अ मेट्रोलॉजिस्ट इज़ अ पर्सन. मेट्रोलॉजिस्ट एक पर्सन होता है हु स्टडीज़ द वेदर. Weather experts use computer technology and data from earth stations and satellites to predict the weather. Next, the topic is changes in weather. How the changes takes place in the weather, that I have to study in this topic. The first point is the weather is generally not the same on any 2 days and week after week. The second point, all the changes in the weather are driven by the sun. The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs in early morning. Next point, the times of sunrise and sunset also change during the year. The average weather pattern take over a long time, say 25 years, is called climate of the place. Now the next topic, that it is an element of weather. The element of weather are temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, clouds and rain, wind. These are the elements of weather. Now next, first of all, we will discuss point wise, like temperature, atmospheric pressure. The first topic is temperature, that we will see. Temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness of atmosphere. It depends on the duration of a sunshine during the summer season. The duration of a sunshine is longer. Due to this, the temperature is high in summer. The day temperature is minimum in morning and maximum at noon. The maximum and minimum temperature is measured with a special thermometer called minimum and maximum thermometer, or whether we can write maximum and minimum thermometer. So this is the short notes on the temperature also. Now B is atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure is the force exerted by the weight of air on the earth's surface. Cold air is heavier, that it is means dense, and therefore exerts more pressure than warm air, that it is warmer and rises up. So I'm going to discuss only these two topic of the element of weather. From the next topic, humidity, that I will continue in the next class. So please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone.